Hi everyone! Welcome! It's me again, Dawn, and for today's video, guys, is I'm gonna be sharing to you how I ended up taking tourism management course, and did I regret choosing this course? So if you wanna know, then please keep on watching. So I wasn't able to upload a vlog for past 3 months. My last upload, I think that was October 2021, and it's now January 2022. Medyo matagal-tagalan. I'm really sorry. I was really struggling, but content I'm going to upload that would really help my viewers, for you guys, that would really help you, inspire you, and educate you. So if you have questions, suggestions, and clarifications, don't be hesitant to comment it below, and I will do my best to answer all of those and make a video about it. Right now, is I'm going to share to you a story of my life. Kasi magkakwento lang naman ako. So you can actually grab a drink, a snacks with you while listening to my story. So that was when I was in high school. That was the time when I had an idea about tourism management course because some of my relatives told me that I can be a flight attendant. I have the potential to become one, as what they said. And kasi nga noon, sinasabing tourism, usually talaga ang naiisip is pagiging flight attendant. So that was their thinking that time. When I was still in high school, I really wanted to take the course business management kasi nga parang namulat ako sa business world. School that I wanted to enroll with was Ateneo de Davao University. Yan talaga yung school na gustong-gusto ko during that time. Undeniably, maganda rin naman talaga yung ADU. Time have passed, I graduated high school. I was really clueless that time kung ano ba talagang pwede kong i-take, ano ba talagang school yung i-enroll ko, saan ba talaga ako. As in, wala talaga akong idea. But before, kung nakapag-decide na talaga ako, gusto ko talaga sa Ateneo at mag-take ng business management course. Unfortunately, my parents cannot afford to send me to that school. So I have to make ways para matupad yung gusto ko. As what I have said in my past vlogs, don't let money hinder you in achieving your dreams, especially education, because there are lots of opportunities out there that could really help you to pursue what you really wanted to pursue. It's what they said, kung gusto, may paraan, kung ayaw, may dahilan. Kaya I was trying to look for a scholarship. Alam ko naman sa sarili ko kung ano talagang capabilities ko. Ayoko namang mag-take ng mga scholarship na alam kong hindi naman ako qualified. I wanted to apply a scholarship ng pagiging working student. Kasi marami din naman doon na working student. As in, parang libre talaga lahat. So, ayun, I took an entrance exam. The result came out and I was really happy kasi I was able to pass. Wala akong probationary na mga subjects. A week before I passed my requirements to apply for a scholarship, a friend of mine told me na
you cannot apply scholarship pagiging working student. Kasi bawal ang first year college na mag-apply ng working student.
So I was like, oh, totoo ba? So I have to really find another scholarship na lang. So nung nandun na kami sa registrar ata yun, sinubmit ko na yung requirements. We were about to fill out a form. Doon parang kinabahan ako na, hala, ano kayang scholarship ang ititake ko? Yung mali din namin ng mama ko, hindi man lang kami nagtanong. Kasi wala. Hindi kami nagtanong kung totoo ba talaga yun na information. During that time, parang nag-iisip ako, ano kayang scholarship ang pwede sa akin? Pero parang kinabahan ako kasi parang may feeling ako na, hala, baka hindi ako makapasa kasi nga, alam ko naman yung ano talaga yung capabilities ko. Kasi usually, pag mga scholarship talaga for brainy people, for brainy students, like mga valedictorian, salutatorian, ganun. So ako, parang, sige, bahala na. I took a risk. Nakalimutan ko na anong scholarship yung tinake ko or pinili ko. I was invited for an interview. And after interview, I think a week or two, lumabas na yung result. Yung lumabas na yung result, sa isang room yun siya nandun lahat ng mga result para sa mga nakapasa sa scholarship. I was trying to find my name, as in wala. Walang Eliza Don J. Reyes akong nahanap dun. So, it was really a heartbreaking moment for me. Paglabas ko talaga sa room na yan, parang iyak talaga ako hanggang sa umuwi na lang kami sa jeep, hanggang sa nandito sa bahay, iyak pa rin ako ng iyak. Kasi that was my plan. Parang na-mess up talaga lahat ng plano ko and hindi ko na alam saan ako patungo. Before niyan, nag-take din ako ng entrance exam sa USEP. And I was able to pass. And I was able to had my interview. Pero nung pa-medical na ako, sabi ko kasi kay mama na, Ma, parang hindi ko talaga feel dito. Kasi first, ayaw ko yung course ko. Kasi yung course na is business economics. Eh, hindi naman talaga yun yung gusto ko. And second, sa school, alam mo yung feeling na, feel mo na you don't belong here, ganon. Parang may nagbubulong talaga sa akin na, no, hindi ka para dito. Yung ganon. So sabi ko, Ma, tayo na lang tayo ng results sa Ateneo kasi baka if ever mapasa ako dun ako. Pero hindi, ipapatuloy ko to dito. Yun, iyak ako ng iyak kasi ayoko dun. I remember that time, nasa sala ako, kaharap ko si Mama. May mga pinag-uusapan kami ni Mama. Tapos, bigla nang sinabi ni Mama na, sige, hindi ka sa Ateneo at hindi ka sa USEP. Mag-UM ka na lang or University of Mindanao. Tapos mag-take ka ng tourism management na course. As in, parang, yung luha ko, parang bumalik. Literal na, nag-stop. Bigla talaga ako nag-stop. Dumilat yung mga mata ko. Singit ko, no? Sabi ni Mama, sige, pag-usapan natin ng papa mo, ganito, ganyan. So, ayun, napunta ako sa University of Mindanao and I took tourism management. Pero nung tinake ko to na course, parang it was a step out of faith lang talaga. Marami talagang nagsasabi sa akin na ang tourism daw, sobrang mahal, marami expenses, ganito, ganyan, may mga tour, international tour. Sabi ko, hala, kaya ba ka ng parents ko? Pero parang, alam niyo yung feeling na, bahala na, basta ito yung gusto ko. Tapos parang, feel mo talagang, ito talaga yung calling mo. Hindi na ako umiyak, and I was really excited. So, ayun, nagpa-enroll ako sa University of Mindanao. Sobrang happy ko rin dun. Actually, 1 year lang ako dun. Kasi after 1 year, I was trying to apply a scholarship again. Sabi ko na kung makakapasa ako ng scholarship dito sa EBSU STEP, it's a scholarship that the city government of Davao offers. Sobrang blessed ko rin na naging part din ako ng mga scholars doon kasi every December may nare-receive kaming gift check. Pinapakain talaga kami nila mayor. I was really thankful for the EBSU STEP. So ayun na, nakapasa ako. So I decided to transfer in Philippine Women's College of Davao. Isa rin yun siya sa mga pinag-isipan ko rin talaga and it was a step out of faith again. One of the reasons why I transferred a school kasi 3 years lang doon. So, sa 3 years, compare mo sa 4 years, naisip ko, gusto kong bilisan yung pag-aaral ko sa college para hindi ako maabutan ng kapatid ko. Kasi kung kami dalawa magka-college, ayaw kong mahirapan yung parents ko. Nung nag-transfer na ako sa PWC, we're trying to compare the tuition fee sa UM at saka sa PWC. Medyo mahal talaga yung PWC. Pero ang sa akin talaga is ayoko maabutan ako ng kapatid ko para hindi mabigatan yung parents ko. May mga subjects talaga akong behind kasi sa PWC trimester Sa University of Mindanao, 2 lang. So may mga subjects akong behind. And sabi ng dean namin, si Sir Gold na, if gusto mo talagang makapag-graduate within 3 years, kasi 1 year sa UM, saka 2 years dun sa PWC, kailangan talaga wala akong mabagsak, tuloy-tuloy lang yung pag-aaral ko, wala akong idadrop ng mga subjects, and magsa-summer ako. It was really kind of difficult then on my part. From 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. na yung out ko. So, medyo mahirap. Every sem loaded talaga ako para makapag-graduate din ako on time. So, ayun, thank God, by God's grace and by God's help, He really provided a way for me to finish on time and He really provided everything that I needed. Kasi I entered this course with so much doubts, pero He really proved to me that through faith in Him, we will be able to make it. My college life was like a result of my faith to Him. I was really happy. Every time na iisip ko yung nakatoga ako, naiiyak talaga ako. Naiiyak ako kasi parang na-experience ko talaga on how God provided, how Jesus made a way for me to finish on time. Inisip ko rin, kung nag-Ateneo ako, may tendency talaga na aabutan ako ng kapatid ko. And may tendency din na baka hindi ko rin makayanan pagsabayin ang working student at saka ang pag-aaral. Baka aabot sa 5 years yung pag-aaral ko dun. Sometimes God destroyed our plans because He knows that those plans that we have, we think the best for us, are the plans that would break us, that would wreck us, that would hurt us in the future. Kahit na alam niyang masasaktan ako sa process, He really knows that at the end of the day, I will be able to say, thank you, Lord, it happened. Thank you, Lord, for breaking my plans. Thank you, Lord, for really loving me and for always desiring to give what's the best for me. Now, let's proceed to the question, did I regret choosing this course? Especially right now that it's pandemic and one of the industries that were greatly affected is the tourism and hospitality. All I can say is, I didn't really regret choosing this course. Kasi minsan nasasabi ko sa isip ko na, what if nag-nursing ako? What if nag-engineering ako? Ganun. Marami akong what if eh. Pero na-realize ko na, kahit na pandemic, hindi ko pa rin talaga i-change ko anong course ang natapos ko. Kasi alam niyo yung feeling na ito talaga yung calling mo. Kahit na mahirap, kahit na medyo kapos. So, ayun. If I were to answer that question, I did not regret choosing tourism management course. And if I have given the chance to take again another course, or kung magma-masters man ako, the course that I'm going to take pa rin is this one, related to my course. Ayun. I don't know if you learned something from this video, but I do hope it gives you courage, especially those students who are taking this course and who were just like me, who were hesitant to take this because of financial aspects. But I tell you, if this is the course that you are called to, just take a big step out of faith. And I know that God will really, really bless you and will really provide a way for you to finish it. As long as you are also doing your best, doing your part, hindi ka nagbubulakbol, you're not wasting your time, your resources, your money, your parents' effort. God bless you guys and girls out there who are also taking this course. Just pray for it. Ask God's wisdom and guidance as you choose which path you're going to take. So, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have learned something from it. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell beside it so that you will be notified on my next videos, just like this one. So, always remember, you are beautiful in your own special ways. Bye! See you guys on my next one.